Hi there, this is Dr. and welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna just walk you through the rules for hosts. So if you happen to be invited to Taka and you happen to take up, my agency, that is, if you happen to fall under my agency, you join my agency, what you need to do is this. This is what is expected of you. You're only expected to have one ID, one Taka ID. You don't need to have more than one. The moment they get to learn that you have more than one ID, you will be in soap. And everything that you have worked for will go to waste. Then you're not allowed to give personal contacts to users in anywhere. If let's say you're online, you're working, you're doing your live streaming, you're not expected to give your contact to anybody, anyone whom you happen to encounter from there. Then offline transactions are forbidden. Every transaction has to be made from the system, from the app. Now, what you have to do is you have to be dressed well and you have to have good makeup when you're actually online. Then you have to be in an environment which is quiet and clean with a very good network connection. If network is pretty bad, you actually risk being given some penalties here and there. Then animals as well as children are not allowed to appear in live streaming broadcast. So you don't need to babysit children as you are live streaming. Avoid doing that. Then no porn is allowed in all public places inside the app. Anchors should break the ice with users and they're not allowed to ignore the user. So anchors are the people who've gone live. Those people are actually hosting parties. If you're the one who initiated the live stream, there will come people who will come to watch you. You don't need to ignore those people since you are the anchor. You have to make sure that you welcome them. You actually entertain them and find a way you can communicate with them. There is that tendency of, people who are live streaming just ignoring those people who have come to watch them. That is not expected of you on Taka. You're not expected to express negative emotions or bringing up topics inside or emotional topics inside the app. You're not expected to do that. Anchors are not allowed to take agency in Taka. So that's what you are expected to abide by. Those are the rules you are expected to abide by. If you happen to go beyond these or you happen to do your own things which are contrary to what is expected of you, definitely you will be banned on Taka. I hope you will live to abide by these rules. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.